Hey everyone, this is Nikhil from .NET Lovers, and today we'll be talking about seven segments. So you would have seen this seven segments, something like that. So we have seven LEDs on a platform, and you can see we can make any kind of desert using lighting any specific LEDs. So you can see A, B, C, D, E, F, G. There are seven LEDs, and this is one deeper LEDs. We'll not be talking about this today. Okay. So in this you can see there are five connectors here on top and five on bottom. I will talk about each one of them. So suppose we want to display digit to 1 on this 7 segment. So this is very easy step. You just have to turn on B and C LEDs, and then we just have to turn off all these other LEDs. So once B and C is on, you can see that digit 1 will be formed, and the user or anyone would be able to see this one. Similarly, if we want to display digit 2, we'll just turn on A, B, G, E, and D, and we'll just turn off F and C. So this is how we can see 2 is formed. The same way we can create digit from 0 to 9, and if we turn on all the LEDs, it will form 8 here. So let's see how we'll connect all the pins to Arduino. Okay, so this is the diagram how we'll connect our 7 segment display with Arduino. We will use seven digital pins of Arduino, and we'll use one ground pin of Arduino, and we will connect this ground pin with this middle pin we had seen in previous diagram, and we'll put one 220 ohms of resistor in between. So you can see the 13th pin will be connected to A, 12th pin is connected to B. So this is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So 7th pin is connected to G. So to turn on any LED, we'll just give output as high of a respective pin which is connected to the LED. So if you want to turn A, then this blue color LED, which blue color wire which is connected to 13. So we have to give output high to the 13. Now suppose you want to display digit 1 on this 7 segment display. So what we have to do, we just have to simply turn on LED B and LED C. So we can see B is connected to pin 12 and C is connected to pin 11. So we'll give output of 12 and 11 as high, and rest of the other pins will give output as a low. So let's see how our code works. So I have created a program to make a counter on our 7 segment display. So I have defined all the LEDs of 7 segment display with respect to their pins. So LED A is connected to pin 13, B is connected to pin 12, and that's how we have defined all the pins here. In setup we have set up all the pin modes as output, and here we have a loop which is displaying all the digits in 1000 milliseconds seconds of interval. So display 0, 1, 2, 3 till 9. I'll show you how this display 0 is written. So we know to display 0 we just have to disable this G LED, and we have to enable all these LEDs from A to F. So this is what I have written for displaying 0. The same way I have written code for 1, 2, 3 and till 9. Now I'll upload this code to my Arduino. I'll connect Arduino to USB port and I'll hit upload. So you can see this is compiling here and now started uploading, and yeah, we are done uploading. Yeah, so we'll just unplug this and we'll build the circuit now. Now you can see I have all the things. breadboard, our 7 segment LED, jumper wires, 220 ohm resistor, and Arduino board, which we have already uploaded our code. So let's build the circuit. I'll place this 7 segment on breadboard. So I have connected all the pins now. So let's power it up and see if it works. I'll just use a small battery and just give it a power. Okay, yeah, this is working. 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will go up to 9, and then again it will restart. So this is, we have implemented 7 segment display using Arduino. So hit like if you like the video and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Thank you.